Hi everyone, this is the project number 12 and this is the project random ball game. First we'll look into the design. In that design, first I took a button. In that button, change it ID to button play and change the text to play. Take a label, change it ID to score label and change the text to score. Here another label, change the ID to score and leave the text as empty. Now I know that what you are thinking. How this ball are came? You cannot get this ball options from here, any of here. Or so you should take the button, place it over here. Don't put this button. I have given it for an example. First, empty the text and set the width to 60 and the height to 60. So it looks like a ball. So now change the ball's ID. I have changed this green ball to ball 1, purple ball to ball 2, the red ball to ball 3. First in this green ball, here down, if you drag, you can get the background color. Press that, sorry, press that you can get many colors. You can drag it and change the color. So I have put my favorite color and you can put your favorite color as well. In this first ball, I have changed the color to green. Change the ID to ball 1. In this purple ball, again like background color, change it to purple. Change the ID to ball 2. In this third ball, change the ID to ball 3 and the background color to reddish pink. So now the code. In variables, you can get bar x is equal to, place it here and change this blank to 0. In UI controls you can get on event, you place it here and change this ID to button play. And again in UI controls you can get set position. Change it over here, change it ID to ball 1 and in math you can get random number. Place it in the first blank, take another and place it in the second blank. Leave the third and fourth blank as 60. Leave them as 60. So you, we don't need them. You can click this box as well. You can click this arrow key so that you can minimize them. Do as like this for every block you have here. We don't need actually these two empty blanks. We don't need them. So you can. So now, when the concept of this game is when the play button is clicked, these three balls has to change their place, and when we click any of the ball, they should change their place, and the score also should increase. That is the game here. So for this, first we have put this set position, right? So now when the play button is clicked, take 3 have change the position. For that only we use this set position block, and in math you can get random number, place it here, change the first blank into 10, the second blank into 100. Do the same for ball 2 and ball 3 and take random random number, place it here and change the number to 45 to 100 or do so to ball 2 and ball 3. So now they have changed their places. So now after that we should click any of the ball here, but if any of the ball is clicked, all of the balls should change their places. For that, In UI controls, you can get on event, place it over here, change the ID to ball1. And again in UI controls, you can get set position, you can place it over here, change the ID to ball1. And again get set position and set position, change the ID to ball2 and ball3. In math, you can get random number, place it over here, and take another random number and place it in the second blank of here. Change their empty blocks first random number, change their empty block 1 to 10 and 100. In the random number second block, change their empty boxes to 45 to 100. Also do so these like this to ball 2 and ball 3. Okay. Copy this, change only this on event ID as ball 2 and ball 3. Copy the ball 1's code, so they will change the places. So now when this ball 1 is clicked, the score also has increased, right? So for that, you can in UI controls you can get on event. They can place it over here. In variables, you can get var x is equal to, place it over here. In math, you can get plus symbol, place it in the second blank of this x is equal to. In that, in the first blank of this plus symbol, change it into x, in the second blank into 1. And in UI controls, you can get set number, place it over here, change the ID to score. Score is this empty label here, and the second blank change it into x. And copy this same to ball 2 and ball 3. Click run to check. If it is correct, you can submit. I hope you understand my project. Thank you.